Tashidelek, good day to all of you. On the request of the Doguling, reimagining Doguling, I would like to introduce the four main commitments of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And first of all, I would like to say that these four main commitments of His Holiness the Dalai Lama are like main advices of His Holiness to all of us who admire him, who have great trust and respect to him, and who follow him with the strong faith and devotion. So, to introduce the four main commitments of His Holiness, first of all, I would like to say that his first commitment is to promote and strengthen universal responsibility and a universal harmony. And that comes from addressing the basic intent of a human being, to be happy and to be free from unhappiness and the suffering. So all of us are equal in that sense. So with that understanding, we should be accepting all other beings as equal to ourselves, and based on that, we should treat them equally and with respect, as we expect others to do to us. So that is the first main commitment of His Holiness. And the second main commitment of His Holiness in the line comes promotion of religious harmony. And this is very important. His Holiness says that as a religious person, as a religious leader of this world, I strive to promote religious harmony. At presently, we know quite well that there are widespread usage of religion in order to inflict harm and violence in the community and in the society. That's a very sad and or an act of very harmful intention. So here, I think it's really important that all of us who follow our own different religions should commit ourselves to maintain harmonious relationship with the followers of other religion, and through that we try to strengthen and promote brotherhood and harmony among all the different religious traditions, so that the religion will never get used to inflict violence and harm on others. This is a really important matter for the followers of the religion, all of us. Now, the third important and main commitment of His Holiness is His Holiness says that as I have the name of the Dalai Lama, I have this natural responsibility to take care of the Tibetan people and Tibet and its culture and heritage. So His Holiness strive to and put his maximum effort to preserve and promote Tibetan language, Tibetan culture, Tibetan Buddhism, and Tibetan. He works very hard to preserve and sustain the Tibetan identity, which is in danger at this time due to kind of various developments those are taking place. So beside that, he also says that His Holiness strive to protect the environment of Tibet, which is very sensitive and crucial for the protection of a kind of global environment. So these are the kind of third main commitment of His Holiness. And finally, the fourth main commitment of His Holiness is the promotion and strengthening of the education system of Nalanda tradition. It's an ancient education system that was transmitted from Nalanda to Tibet, and it was kept alive in Tibet for thousands of years. And it is a kind of well preserved in Tibetan tradition for all these years, and it's really important to kind of reintroduce it to the Indian community, so that Indians will come to realize the value of the ancient knowledge of Nalanda tradition, which belongs to India, and further kind of strengthen it by spreading it to other people for the benefit of entire humanity. Because the Nalanda tradition teaches us very precisely about the method aspect of the path, mainly the compassion and love and kindness, and then the wisdom aspect of the path, which constitutes analytical examination and investigation of the phenomena and the things profoundly and thoroughly, with such an investigation coming to a conclusion where the investigator have a kind of a thorough and in-depth understanding of the true nature of the phenomena or the reality. So based on that, then build up the kind of the method kind of aspect of the path, with encouraging oneself to train into the 6 perfections: compassion, altruism, kindness, and care for others. So these things. So from that point of view, these are really important kind of advices and kind of instructions that His Holiness has given to us, and we should cherish these, and then we should learn these, and after learning and understanding it, apply it in our own life as much as possible. So I hope you understood what are the main commitments of His Holiness. So thank you very much.